Welcome back to MT Crypto. Today we're taking a look at Sensorium, what my thoughts are about the upcoming burn with 1 billion tokens that's going to be burned of Senso tokens here. And also we have the release of Sensorium Galaxy's Prism World that you could actually go register on the website right now and get access to these cool performances, test out the VR space and what it's really about. So it's pretty exciting that it's come this far now, and there's a lot of featured artists here, a lot of famous ones as well, so it is really cool. And we also have the price of the token that I would want to do a little bit of calculation on what could be happening here with the value of Senso in the future, and what I believe is going to happen here after the actual burn. And also we're going to do some TA on what's about to happen right now, so please stay tuned for that. But I think we're going to start with taking a look at the burn itself. We're going to get 700 million tokens after the burn. Then there's 700 million tokens left, and 500 million will be locked for the digital assets of in-game sales at the events. You can buy stuff with the token, and then it's leaving the tokens active supply at 200 million. That's the circulating supply. Will remain at about 66 plus million Senso. So that will be the maximum that will be circulating around here to be traded with for you and me, for what we would like to do with the token right now. When we take a look at the token right now, you can see the calculation of the value right here is the market cap divided by the circulating supply, right? If you take around 18, I'm just going to say 18 million, you divide it with 12 million, then you will get 1.5, which is where we're at right now. So what is going to happen when they remove, you can see here 1.7, we are going to remove 1 billion of these max supply, and this number here can maximum become 66 million, right? But it depends on when they release more of the circulating supply into the market. Now, my beliefs are that, you know, after we remove a lot of the maximum tokens, we will still have the same amount here, but what this whole stunt is going to do is attract a lot of investors. And also when people see that the product is working and people will get hyped, they will also invest in this. So I really think that they're doing something really amazing with a low market cap, and it can grow so much. I think it's really a unique project, this one, and I do believe that the value over time will rise a lot for Senso. But I think that it also right now depends on what's really going on with Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin going to go up and going to test new highs, or whatever's going on? If we're going to go test new highs, then this is also going to rocket, of course, but nothing is really certain right now. We are waiting for for the price to come up and for the price to recover from this massive drop that we had last weekend. But I really do believe that at some point that will happen. So yeah. But it's hard to say, whatever can happen with the price. We had a run up. You can see a run up here at $3.2, and I was actually calling this run up last time, and I think that right now we're cooling off a little bit. I don't think that we will drop further. If we drop further, we will get around to $1 and lower by that, but I really do not believe that we are right there at the moment. and I also think that the Bitcoin is ready to recover soon. So we will not keep going down, because there's a lot of bulls out there waiting for the opportunity to go higher, right? So let's take a look at some TA, and these are my current thoughts on the burn itself. And also, I think I'm going to register on the website. I think I'm going to check it out. The only thing I need to get a hold of is really, if we go back here, you can see on the website, it's really exciting, to be honest. There's these worlds here, and it's really cool. You can see the graphics, the graphic requirements here. A GeForce RTX 380 for the recommended settings, so it's pretty crazy, right? I have the RTX 3090, so I guess I could try this, and I just need to get a hold of some of these VR headsets to experience this, and so I think I'm going to get a hold of that and see what I can do about this. It looks really cool. And I love music as well, so yeah, I have to test it out. But let's take a look at some TA right now, guys. And remember to smash the like button if you like this video, and then I will do my best to do some good work here for you guys. So we have this trend line right here. I guess this could be some kind of a strict falling kind of wedge type of thing. So we could have been reached a low right here, but if you look at the candles itself, we have a massive sell-off, right, where we lose almost 100% of not 100%, we lose about 50% of the value or something at the token right here. Let's actually check it out. We lose about 64%, 55% down on this drop. So I really do believe that this is the bottom for this drop here, right? And we could accumulate a little bit right down here, and then we need to get up and break this level here to get to the $2 range, which will be at the center of this point, which is about the volume cluster that would be right here. There's a lot of activity at this point by going up and then crossing it back down again. So the volume cluster would be somewhere around $2. So this is going to be a really tough resistance. So if we could come out and break the top trend line of this falling wedge here, we could actually, the measured target of this move actually could be enough to push us above this $2 range. So that is what we really want to see, is that we're finding the bottom right here and coming up. But when you're looking at the candles itself, you can see we have a massive sell-off. Then we have a little bit of buying again, and trying to make a run for a recovery, but failed here. And then we have an indecision candle, not really going up, not really going down. So the buyers and sellers are almost agreeing that it's come to a point that then we have some selling off again, but then we are at this last really support right now, and before we could drop further to 1.2 or actually $1, right? But I think that we will remain here at these levels, and I think after this weekend, I think the 13th of December, I think Bitcoin is ready to try for a new run up here, and I think that we could actually come up and break this level. If we do get near this and we do cross this zone, then I think it's a really good breakout trade actually to go higher to 2.5 again in the mid range here, this previous high over here, this triangle. We could reach this point around Christmas, I'd say. So let's see what's going on. And also we could try to if we just remove this one line, we could try to measure the trend-based Fibonacci time. That's all really good. It can be a really fun indication, and it also have a bit of truth in it around the points where we go up here from well, we change from the golden pocket into the 100% range here, there will be a good chance that this downtrending wave could actually be broken and be bottoming out, right? So I'd say that if we are able to stay in this range, and if we make it here to the 19-20 December after next weekend actually, then we could actually see up against Christmas, we could see another pump to the upside. But then again, there's also a lot of people talking about right now in my community that this could form into a giant head and shoulders event that will crash us down. But we have to wait and see and remain cool and see what's going on, guys, because if we're going to break these levels and if we're going to go higher, then that would invalidate this pattern right here, okay? So don't worry about that. But for now, we're just looking at what we're looking at, and we need to just wait and see what's going on, and hope the best. I picked up some more Senso down here. I talked about that in my last video about Sensorium Galaxy as well, and I just picked up some more, and you know, if I get some extra cash on me, then I'm gonna pick up some more again, I think, because when looking at this project, I think it's looking amazing. I think you need to have a pretty good background, pretty good skills to pull something like this off, you know, to get the partners, and to you know, now people are going to see that it's actually working, and so I think it's going to bring in a lot of new people to this area, and a lot of investors for Sensorium Galaxy, and we're looking at a market cap now of around 18 million. Was it? No, yeah, around 18 million market cap right now, and I've seen this market cap at about 30 million. So yeah, and it can come really quickly. It can come from you know, 1 to 2 days, and we could be back at this range again. You know, we never know what's going on here, but as long as you don't invest everything you got, if you invest something that you can live without, something that you can just put in and forget about it, then it's a good thing to do that, I think. Yeah, but that's what I'm gonna say about Sensorium Galaxy today. And if you like the video, please smash up the like button. It's really awesome to see when you guys do that, and it keeps me want to do more videos. So I'll just see you guys in the next video, and be well out there in crypto land, and take care. Bye bye.